In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment receipt in Xero, a task that takes just 5 minutes. Xero offers a user-friendly platform for managing your business finances, and today we'll focus on sending payment receipts, an essential part of maintaining clear financial records and streamlining communication with your clients. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to Xero's website. Once there, click on the login button. You'll need to enter your email and password to access the dashboard, so make sure you have those credentials ready. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, but ideally, keep these details secure for swift access in the future. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all things accounting related in Xero. Now that you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on Business. This option will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Invoices. This section is crucial as it keeps tabs on all the invoices you've issued, showing a comprehensive list that is organized according to their status. Once you are in the Invoices section, navigate to the Paid tab. This step is vital because our goal today is to send receipts for payments already received. Clicking on the Paid tab will display a list of invoices that have been fully paid. Scroll through this list to find the specific customer or invoice for which you want to send a receipt. Select the customer by clicking on their name and it will bring up their payment details. In the payment details window, you'll see a payment link. Clicking on it will open a new set of options. You're nearly there, and from here you'll click on Options. This will present you with a selection where you'll choose Send Receipt. It's pretty straightforward, and Xero's clean interface makes it easy to follow along without getting lost. Finally, you'll be prompted to enter the customer's email address. It's crucial to ensure the accuracy of the email address to avoid any miscommunication or failed deliveries. Once the email is entered, click on the Send button. Xero will take care of the rest, sending an electronic receipt directly to your customer's inbox. And there you have it, you've successfully sent a payment receipt in Xero. This process